Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung is hosting an event on February 20th to officially launch the Galaxy S10, and with each passing day, we're learning more about the devices. Today, a fresh set of hands-on images have essentially confirmed the use of an in-display fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S10, as well as giving us new looks at the hardware, while other leaks confirm further details. First posted by Sada Android on Twitter via Mobile. 4 new hands-on images of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus confirm a lot of previous leaks and reports. First and foremost, one of these images gives us our first look at how the in-display fingerprint sensor will be implemented. It's been widely known that Samsung is adopting an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on its upcoming device, and this image confirms that an in-display sensor is being used. Unsurprisingly, it seems to work a lot like other devices using the tech with a prompt towards the bottom of the display. Further, we get another nice look at the size of the hole punch display cutout on both the S10 Plus and the S10, as well as seeing the back of each device. Both have 3 cameras mounted horizontally, and we can see the Prism Black and Prism White color variants here as well, and for obvious reasons, there's no fingerprint sensor on the back of the Galaxy S10 as was found on the S9. Finally, Roland Quant of One Future has also recently posted a fresh set of Galaxy S10 renders. These new shots show the S10 and S10 Plus from different angles in high quality, as well as depicting the difference between the Prism Black and Ceramic Black versions of the device. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.